Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita. Let's see what are the messages for you to like and subscribe to my channel. We have Page of Cups. There is someone who is eagerly waiting to message you or call you. They want to share their feelings. They have a very strong feeling for you. They like you and they love you. They are resisting themselves because they are scared, and they feel if you reject them, they might feel sad, they might feel disappointed, but they really love you. We have Four of Wands. They see a future with you, they want a family with you. In their mind they have dreamt of everything. They also dream that they are dancing with you. Maybe you know this person, maybe they are someone from the neighborhood, but they really love you. We have such beautiful cards. They want to propose you for marriage. Six of Wands. They really love you. I feel they have lot of feelings. They want to share it with you, but they are scared. But I also feel that they are going to give you a very grand surprise. They are planning maybe in the next 6 weeks, 6 days for some people, 6 weeks, or 6 months also for some people. But this person really, really loves you. They have so strong feelings. They see a family with you. They are, in their head, they have already married you. Maybe you know this person. See, Eight of Wands. We have water sign, we have fire sign. They are in full speed. They are like, I want to share my feelings to you. Like, they want to share their feelings with you. It's like, this love is coming in full speed towards you. We have really beautiful cards, and we already have three cards of fire sign. Maybe a fire sign is in love with you. Ace of Pentacles. They really want a long term relationship with you. They value you, they respect you, they see you as someone who is very kind and very beautiful. And they have, they have words like, they can't describe how much love they have for you. It's it was like, even I could not even say what I wanted to say. But it's just like, how they want to share their feelings with you, how much they love you, and they don't have any words to share it with you. We have earth sign. You or them can be earth sign or fire sign. We also have cups. We have water sign, but they are filled with emotions. They want to give you the world. They want to give you everything you always wanted in life. They know you very well. They know that how much you respect love. How you They know that you are someone who is not someone who is go with the flow person. So yes, they know it very well. We really have beautiful cards, I would say. Ace of Swords. I feel that with Ace of Swords, communication is the key over here. You need to communicate. They need to communicate. I feel you are the one expecting communication, clear communication in relationship. New beginning. It's up to you. Like, if you accept this proposal, it's a new beginning. It's like, old chapters closing for both of you. New chapters are beginning. If you see the leaves are falling, it's like everything is, everything from the past is going to end, and it's a new beginning. We have two aces. Nine of Swords. See, I said that everything from the past is going to end. Everything which was hurting you, which was hurting them, everything is going to end. It's the end of pain. Ten of Wands. Maybe you are, you are a little worried whether to accept this love, or you might be, when when they propose you, you might be worried whether to accept this love, because in the past you might have faced a lot of issues. uh, you were the one carrying everything in the relationship, like the burden of the relationship, the responsibility of the relationship. If you were already married and you're divorced right now, and you have this new person who really cares for you, loves you, and you are a little worried whether to accept this love, even if it is a new relationship for you, even if it is a girlfriend boyfriend relationship. You are a little worried because you do not want that to happen again. That can also be one of the readings. Queen of Wands. See, I said it is up to you whether you want to accept this love. It's all up to you. The of course this person will always love you even if you say no, but it is again up to you whether to accept this love or no. And stand up for yourself. Like, it's like, even if you have any doubts, clear your doubts. Any communication you have, be very clear with them, because clarity is the one where things will get sorted out. Or that's how the new beginning is. Like, you have to let go of the old past things and all the old past feelings. Like, I would say the old pain, you have to heal it from there. It's like, if you see there is a sunflower, maybe this person will come with flowers. The third ace card, I'm 100% sure it is a new beginning. You are, you know, do come back to this reading in the next, if if anyone proposes you, or if you are very sure that this person is going to come forward to you in the next 6 days or 6 weeks, or for some people 6 months. Do come and comment on this reading if there was a new beginning, and if this person was all set and ready for you. They were they really want they really want this feeling, and so much of love. If you see, like, they really love you. Do come back and comment on this reading. We have 10, 4, 6, 9 important numbers, important dates. 11, 2, 13, 4. We have three ace cards. I'm sure I don't know, I feel that you are going to accept this love. But yes, it's your free will, totally your free will. It's your own decision. Yes, see, I said it's your free will, it's your own decision whether to accept this love. Yeah, I said, like, let go of the past. And yes, this is your new beginning. If you let go of the past, if you're ready to let go of the past, if you are okay with it, and if you are healed yourself, only then do not do a rebound. Yeah. See, all the cards after this are saying the same thing. Let go of the past. Only if you're ready, only if you can let go of it, let go of your past. Only if you know that, yes, this is your new beginning, you are ready to let go of what was hurting you, because bringing your old pain with in the new beginning, or in with the new person, is only going to make it worse. Okay, so yeah, I should end this reading over here, and it's a very beautiful reading. Do let me know if ever this happens in the next, as I mentioned, 6 days to 6 months. And I hope you like this reading. I'll see you next time. Bye.